91% of businesses reduce their customer acquisition cost after one single change. And this isn't theory, it's backed by data from over 600 businesses. Let's break down the math behind it. When we ran Miro accounting with 300 plus clients, we tracked every single dollar spent acquiring new customers, and the ledger didn't lie. The moment we centralized our data into a CRM, our cost per client plummeted. Here's the math behind that shift. Here's what the data shows. 91% of businesses report a decrease in customer acquisition cost after implementing a CRM, and 49% of them see a significant drop, typically between 11% to 20%. So the conclusion is simple. A CRM is not just an operational expense, it's a direct cost reduction lever. Here's exactly how that happens. Input time declaimed. Automating repetitive tasks and centralizing data saves 5 to 10 hours of employee workload every week. Process cycle compression. Streamlined communication shortens the sales cycle by 8 to 14 days. And then output pipeline efficiency. Leads convert faster with significantly less manual effort. Same team but dramatically better output. Now compare this. Decentralized SMBs often fall short in sales goal, while CRM-powered businesses are 86% more likely to exceed them. Revenue trajectory. Without CRM, unpredictable. With CRM, consistent and scalable. Customer service quality. Fragmented versus seamless, fast and personalized. Small business adoption. What was once optional is now a competitive necessity. And it doesn't stop at CRM, add modern layers. Standard CRM setup, 56% more likely to meet sales goals. Generative AI integration, 65% of businesses now use AI-driven CRM features like predictive analytics and auto content, making them 83% more likely to exceed targets. Mobile CRM, 70% of businesses use mobile-first CRMs for speed to lead, making them 150% more likely to win. These are not tools anymore, they are growth multipliers. But the real hidden advantage is here, retention. Customers stay longer, lifetime value increases, and you need fewer new customers to grow. Plus, better system deliver better service, and better service create repeat business. That's the loop most business ignore. So, if you want to reduce your acquisition cost, here's your blueprint. First, centralize everything. Second, automate your follow-ups. Third, track the math. Do this right and growth becomes predictable. And if you're looking for a system that helps you do exactly this, you can check out HelloGrowthCRM. It's built to help businesses centralize operations, automate processes, and scale without increasing acquisition cost. Link is in the description.